Beck and Food's My Life. In today's video, I'm going to give you some midweek meal inspiration, and it's coming right up. We all know how monotonous and boring midweek meals can be, so I thought today I'd show you a little quick and easy recipe that I use to pimp up my dinner. So today I'm sharing with you the recipe for my corn salsa. It's a great little side dish. It goes with anything, really versatile, quick and easy to make, and it sure does pack a punch of flavor. A little bit spicy too, but that's optional. I'll show you how it's done. All right, in my bowl here, I have some corn kernels. Now this came from 4 cobs of fresh corn. I then cut the kernels off the cobs, and I have baked these in the oven just for about, 15 minutes at 180 degrees, just to cook the corn slightly. To this, I'm going to add 4 spring onions, finely chopped. Next comes some jalapenos. So these are bottled jalapenos. They come pre-sliced, and I have then chopped them up finely. I've got about half a cup here. I love jalapenos. This gives the salsa a nice little kick. Now, if you're not up for any heat, just simply leave it out. Finally, I'm going to add some coriander. Now, coriander's funny because some people love it, some people hate it. I add a little bit. I think coriander can definitely be overdone, but here I'm adding probably almost 2 tablespoons. And if you're not a coriander fan, then you could replace this with parsley, or you could add parsley to this if you want to fill it out a bit more. So just stir this through so that all those ingredients combine. And now it's time to make the dressing. I like to make my dressing in a little jug because that way it's nice and easy to pour onto my salsa later. In here I have about a generous tablespoon of olive oil. To this I'm going to add a generous tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Give it a good mix, and now the salsa dressing is ready to add to the salsa just before you're ready to serve. So how quick and simple was that to make? Now, although you can choose to serve this with any protein, personally, I tend to always serve this with a nice piece of pan-fried salmon with crispy skin. But it's up to you. If you want to try this for yourself, then check out the recipe at my website. You'll find my website link in the description box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video, or better yet, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, because that way you'll always get a little notification every time I've released a new recipe. I'll see you next time.